Located in the Chacras de la Cruz area of Capilla del Señor, Argentina, Casa Vôlt was designed as a retreat from the noise and pace of city life, a weekend home that embraces the serenity of its natural surroundings. With a total built area of 230 square meters, the house offers a design approach that is not only functional but also poetic. One of Casa Vôlt's greatest strengths lies in how it interacts with nature. Large windows frame the rural landscape, blurring the line between interior and exterior. The architects crafted a building morphology that responds subtly and thoughtfully to its rural context. Even the building's orientation was carefully chosen to optimize natural lighting and energy efficiency throughout both summer and winter seasons. Upon entering the living room, one is greeted by a striking architectural feature: a curved, exposed concrete ceiling. This structure is not only a bold aesthetic statement, but also creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, especially when paired with the play of natural light that takes center stage in the space. Interestingly, this concrete slab extends horizontally to the exterior, creating a seamless material and spatial continuity. Meanwhile, the bedrooms and personal workspace are housed in a separate volume, each with floor-to-ceiling windows that offer intimate views of the open landscape. Every corner of the house seems to invite relaxation and a deeper connection with nature. Another notable feature is the ramp located at the front of the house. This gentle incline leads to a rooftop garden, a green terrace that not only offers spectacular views of the night sky, but also serves as a gathering space around a fire pit, perfectly in tune with the tranquility of the countryside. In terms of construction, Casa Vôlt relies on durable, low-maintenance materials. A self-supporting concrete structure is combined with brick walls, polished cement floors, PVC frames, and petiribí wood veneer furniture, all contributing to a natural warmth within the home. Overall, the primary goal of this design is to create a sanctuary, a peaceful space to enjoy the weekend, soak in the warmth of the sun, and reconnect with the rural Argentine landscape.